Now let's learn how to create a wallpaper using the Canva application. So for this we will create a Canva application. Let's www.canva.com. Now let the web page get loaded. Now as it has got loaded, over here on the top right corner you have the create a design option. If you don't see that option, you have the search bar over here. So in the search bar you have to type wallpaper and you will see different options. So if you are using or if you are creating a wallpaper for your desktop, then select desktop wallpaper. If you are doing it on a phone, then select phone wallpaper. So click on desktop wallpaper. A new tab will open in front of you. Now there are so many different wallpapers that are ready-made given to you. So you can select your own wallpaper or you can select any template also. That's up to you. So let's select this one. I like this one, so I'm selecting this one. A new option will open. That option will give you chance or option to edit the wallpaper that you have selected. So let's see what we have selected. So this is what we have selected. So you can see there is something written over here. You can edit what is written and you can put your own thoughts also. That's up to you. So let's see what to put. Okay. So I want to change this tagline and I want to change it something else. So I'll start creating. Drag this, make it a little bit bigger. Isn't it looking nice now? Yeah. So be your own sunshine. This is a tagline I like. Now my wallpaper is ready. You can also insert few different things. See, there are elements that you can select from. You have different elements over here. You can select whatever you want to put on your wallpaper. That's up to you. You have different text styles. See over here there are so many ready-made text styles given over here. Then you have some pictures also, some photos that are given to you. You can select any one photo if you wish to from here. So that's your choice what you want to select. You can select a background of your choice. There are different background also, so you can create your own wallpaper. Okay, so once you are done with creating the wallpaper, you need to click on download option. Now the file type that is suggested should be PNG or JPG. So you have to select the file type as JPG or PNG. So I will select PNG and click on download. And your design or wallpaper will be downloaded. You can close this window and see there is an option over here. So select desktop and click on save. So your wallpaper, the wallpaper that you created will get saved on your desktop. Now let's see. See, the wallpaper has come over here on my desktop. Now you can take this picture and put it as your own wallpaper. Now let's see how to do this. So how to change the wallpaper we have learned, right? So right click on the desktop, click on personalize. Then the settings will open in front of you. Once the setting is open, in the background option you need to select, click on the browse option. Now once I click on browse option, see over here I have different folders, so I need to click on desktop and select the wallpaper that I have created. Okay, so let's see, let's minimize and see the wallpaper I have made or created is on my desktop now. Now it's your turn to create the wallpaper. Be creative, be innovative.